we already know the quadratic formula, and now we will discuss the quadratic formula. By this quadratic formula is very important, and you can identify many things by the quadratic formula. So look here, what is the quadratic formula? Look here, this equation is given ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation, for this equation, the roots are given by the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is a quadratic formula. If anywhere you have an exam that solve the question by the quadratic formula, you will use this formula. This is very important. And look here, this b square minus 4ac you can write by d also. What is the d? D we will say the discriminants. So if anywhere you have a question, you have to find the discriminant. This is very simple. You have to find only b square minus 4ac. So discriminant, we say d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So in any question, first of all, you find the discriminant, and you are to use this formula. So you can use there x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. You can use direct this formula. Look here, need not to find again b square minus 4ac. Okay, so once you already find the discriminant and you have to use the want to use the discriminant formula, you can use this formula x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. And direct question is given to you and you have to use the formula. You can use this formula x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Discriminant formula is very important. We have only a short formula b square minus 4ac. This is a very simple formula, and this, by the discriminant, without finding the roots, you can find the nature of the roots, that which type the roots you will get here. So look here, this is a very interesting thing here. Nature of roots, we can find a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two distinct real roots. Distinct means different real roots we will get, and when we get this type condition, two distinct roots when we will get, then when the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive we will get, and we can say d also, d is greater than 0 means the discriminant is greater than 0. Next, two equal roots. When we get two equal roots, sometimes we get both roots are minus 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, that time you get. So when we get these equal roots, when we have the discriminant equal to 0, means if you have the b square minus 4ac is 0, we get two equal roots we will get. And sometime we get no real roots, we cannot find the roots. That time condition when we get, when the b square minus 4ac is less than 0 meaning is what is negative, we get negative. If you get negative b square minus 4ac, then means we discriminant is negative, means we will say we can not find the real roots. Means here three cases we have, the roots may be different, may be equal, and no real roots. So here the discriminant is greater than 0, equal to 0, and less than 0. So this three case you can find out. So very interesting. Here this question is find discriminant of quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0, and hence find the nature of its root. Means we have to find here discriminant only. So look here, the equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. What is here a equal to 2. What is b is minus 4, and what is c is 3. Discriminant formula you know already, b square minus 4ac you have to find. So b square means here minus 4 square, minus 4a is here 2, and c is 3. So 4 square is 16 minus 4 to the 8 3 ja 24. So you have here, this is a minus 8 you have, means less than 0. Discriminant is less than 0 you have, means what the nature of the no real roots you write here, no real roots. All of you understand this? Look here, find the nature of roots of quadratic equation. You have to find the nature of the quadratic equation, and if real roots exist, then you have to find them. So here double question is, first we will find the discriminant. For that here a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, and c equal to 3. So first you find discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. b square is here minus 6 square, minus 4a is 2, and c is 3. So look here, minus 6 square is 36, minus 4 to the 8 is 24, You subtract these, you get here 12. So discriminant is 12 we get. So 12 means greater than 0 means two distinct real roots we get. And here real roots means we have to find also. So you will use here formula x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Why we use this formula? Because discriminant already we find in the question. So here d means b square minus 4ac only. X equal to minus b. B is what is minus 6 and plus minus d is 12 here upon 2a. A is here 2. So look here, when we will solve, what we get? When we will solve, we will get x equal to minus minus plus means 6 and this you can write here plus minus 4 into 3 upon 2 to the 4. So x equal to what we get? 6 plus minus 2 root 3 upon 4. From here you can take common 2. So you get 2 3 just 6 plus minus root 3 upon 4. So 2 and 4 you can cancel, you get 3 plus minus root 3 by 4. So here we have the roots are 3 plus root 3 upon this, you cancel, you get here 2. Then the roots are 3 plus root 3 upon 2 and second is 3 minus root 3 upon 2. Thank you. This time you can find the roots.